Welcome to the channel. Looking for a way to earn money online without the hassle of creating your own product? Affiliate marketing might be the answer you're looking for. Stick around as we reveal why it's one of the best online income streams. Now, one of the biggest reasons affiliate marketing stands out is the low barrier to entry. Unlike starting your own business or selling physical products, affiliate marketing requires minimal investment. You don't need to buy inventory or create a product, just promote products from trusted companies and earn a commission. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the power of passive income in affiliate marketing. Once you've set up your promotional content, whether it's a blog post, video, or social media campaign, it continues to generate income over time, even when you're not actively working. Affiliate marketing gives you unmatched flexibility. You choose your working hours, your niche, and the products you want to promote. And as your skills grow, you can scale your efforts, target new audiences, use more platforms, and earn even more. Unlike running your own e-commerce business, you don't have to worry about customer service, returns, or inventory management. Your role as an affiliate marketer is simply to drive traffic to the product, and the company handles the rest. This means you can focus on growing your audience and increasing your sales without the operational headaches of traditional business management. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is the variety of products you can promote. Whether you're passionate about health, tech, beauty, or finance, there's an affiliate program for nearly every niche. This means you can choose something that resonates with you and your audience. You don't need to be a tech expert to succeed in affiliate marketing. With easy-to-use tools like WordPress, social media platforms, and email marketing software, anyone can get started and start earning. Plus, there are countless tutorials and communities to guide you along the way. The best part? You can scale at your own pace. No technical expertise required. So there you have it. Low startup costs, passive income, scalability, and the freedom to choose your niche. If you're looking for an online income stream that gives you freedom and flexibility, affiliate marketing is the way to go. With minimal risk and the potential for long-term success, it's the perfect opportunity to start earning. Don't wait. Take the first step toward financial freedom today. Hit subscribe for more tips on making money online, and remember, your affiliate marketing success starts today.